The doggy got the French fry. It's okay to share.
My tissue.
Share.
My tissue.
Share the water.
Nothing, Mommy.
What are you eating? What is that, Jake? It's French fries.
The doggy got the French fries. Yeah. Say, oh no, the doggy got the French fries. Why don't you take a bite of that and not shove the whole thing in your mouth?
Move over.
Ew. Is that good?
He loves them. That's a good French fry.
You're sitting like Mommy now. Delaney, would you like another one?